Ivory Coast.
Nairobi United will start their FKF Cup title defense with a trip to Kilifi to face FKF County League side L15 FC on Saturday at Mbaraki Stadium in Mombasa County. The Geoffrey Oduor Chargers head into this match after 1-1 draw against coastal side Bandari FC in the top flight league.
L15 ni timu poa, ni place nime grow. So ni wakiniona wanajua most of wachezaji wanajua wanachezea Nairobi United. So kuna ile motivation, wanajua ni timu kubwa. So watakuja wakiwa wako prepared, wa fight enough, wachukue points. Ni timu pia ukiangalia wamepanda recently, so pia wako na motivation. So watakuja wa give it all.
Main ambition is to defend our trophy. And to defend that, we have to make sure that we start by winning tomorrow's match against L15 in Mombasa. It's known about the opponent, but of course they were in the division. They were promoted as champion to the Division 1, so it is a team that has been playing football. So at least we know that they have been champions before at lower leagues. So it means that they have something. They have some quality in them, and we will take them seriously, so that we make sure that we collect.
Will